So I really like that, and I feel like it has helped to kind of gently exfoliate my skin, but at the same time it is kind of like moisturizing as well for my skin. I'm back with another educational beauty video, and in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you the top skincare products for textured skin. Now these products are products that I have used. They've been completely transforming for my skin. I have textured skin. My skin is so much better than before, and I really wanted to share with you the best products. And these are products that are tried and tested, and that's the great thing about this video. It's not just me recommending products, it's me telling you how they worked and actually being able to tell you exactly what they did to my skin and how my textured skin became a lot more smoother. Now, don't forget, if you do like this video, please do give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button so that you don't miss any of my future videos. And if you want some reels, some unboxing, just generally what I get up to when I'm not filming on YouTube, you can also catch me on Instagram. Now, let's get started with the video. I'm going to be showing you my top skincare products for textured skin. These are products that I have tried and tested myself because obviously I have textured skin. So I really wanted to kind of like put across the products and show you the products that I believe in, I've used for quite a while, and I genuinely feel like they have improved the texture of my skin. So we are going to start off with the first couple of products because I double cleanse. So I wanted to show you the two cleansers that I do use, and I'm going to tell you what order I use them in too. So first off, this isn't like my whole skincare routine. This is just the stuff that's really helped with my textured skin. So this is the Tatcha Rice Wash, and this is actually for normal to dry skin, but it really genuinely has helped with my kind of texture. I feel like it's just given me the hydration that I need, but it's just the right amount, if you see what I mean. So it's not stripping my skin. So this is a soft cream cleanser. It does feel like it has tiny granules in there which kind of dissolve on impact with the skin. It doesn't actually say that on here, but it feels like that. So it's a pH neutral cream cleanser of rice and hyaluronic acid that gently purifies while moisturizing your skin. And when you actually do it, like apply it to wet skin, it does foam up, so it's a really nice cleanser, you know, like an old school cleanser. So I really like that, and I feel like it has helped to kind of gently exfoliate my skin, but at the same time it is kind of like moisturizing as well for my skin. Now next, what I use is my other cleanser, which is my Hills Blue Herbal Cleanser. I've been using this for years and this stuff is absolutely amazing. This I've been using for probably around 3 months, and I feel like it really has helped with giving me that hydration that sometimes I lose from this cleanser. It works well in combination with this for me. So this is a salicylic acid blemish treatment cleanser, and it is more of a gel formula, and I'm actually running out of this. I need to get another one, but is great for like I break out often because like the amount of times I'm putting makeup on for YouTube and everything. So, you know, that's something I can't stop, and that's something I have to kind of like treat on the go. And this works great for it because this helps to kind of like just reduce my breakouts. Now, I'm not going to lie, this is pretty strong cleanser. I feel like I've got very thick skin, so I can handle it, but honestly, this can end up stripping your skin a little bit. So that's why I like to really kind of, you know, make sure I balance it out with a good kind of another face wash. So I usually kind of wait and see what my skin feels like. Which one I go with first really depends on what my skin is feeling like. If I've really broken out, I'll go with this first, and then I go with this. And if I feel like, okay, my skin's feeling a little bit sensitive, I go with this first, and then I go with this. So it really is down to how my skin is feeling that particular day. Then I have my Lancer triple peptide drops, which you guys have heard me speak about so much, because honestly, this stuff is like gold in a bottle. It is so good. It has been great for my skin in terms of moisture and hydration, and also clearing my skin. And I didn't realize how good, honestly, this was going to be. I just thought, okay, let me try it, and it was just absolutely amazing. It's got these tiny little like bubble things in there, which I guess burst on the skin, but it's niacinamide and vitamin E in here, and this has really helped to kind of like regulate my oil within my skin. And even though I break out, you'd think, why would you want to do that? But I don't have oily skin. I do have slightly dehydrated skin, so it regulates the oil in a good way and just the right amount, you know. So my reason for breakouts is more so because of makeup back and forth, and you know, I guess I don't give my skin enough of a break, which I should do, which is very difficult when you have a YouTube channel which is all about makeup. That's the issue that I have. So it's really been a struggle for me to try and find the products that are good for textured skin and for breakouts as well, because I have like open pore, like I have like small acne scars, and my skin is like, it's just textured, you know. I sometimes get like that bumpiness under the skin too, and this has been great for it. This has been absolutely amazing because it has actually, my skin feels a bit more plumped, but at the same time it's not just about the feel of it, it's about the appearance of my skin too. It just feels more kind of, it's more radiant, and it also feels like it's just a little bit smoother as well. So this has really helped with my texture. That's something that I would highly recommend to everyone because it is amazing. Next up are a couple of products which honestly I have been using for years and I absolutely love them, and these are Lancer products. I love Lancer skincare. I think they honestly have transformative products that genuinely do work. Let me go through this one first because I was using this first. I used this the longest. This is my Lancer Caviar Lime Acid Peel, and this is, it has 10% glycolic acid, it has phytic acid, I don't know if that's how you say it, 10%, and also retinol in here. Now this stuff is just amazing. This is actually, I didn't want to bring the tub that I'm currently using because it's like a little bit kind of logos and stuff have kind of like come off. So this is actually my backup one, which I can't seem to open. So it's like new, so you know, it looks good. It just smells so good. It smells of fruit gums. That's what it smells of, but it has pineapple enzyme in here, and basically this stuff, so it's like a cream, right? So it's like a cream, and I put this on at night. So I will put this on instead of like a moisturizer. This will be like a weekly treatment for me, sometimes twice a week. Now this is it's a powerful product. So it's basically for kind of stressed, dull skin. So it will help to kind of like take off remove those dead skin cells. But it is also like, don't be fooled by the name, because even though it says peel, your skin doesn't peel with it. If you have extremely sensitive skin, maybe it will do, or very thin skin, maybe it will, but my skin does not peel with this at all. I've never experienced any level of peeling with this product. So basically the phytic, I don't know if it's phytic or phytic. It's got to be phytic, right? Phytic acid, whatever it is, you know what I mean. Hopefully it is basically there to help kind of like remove the dead skin cells. It helps to remove and resurface the skin basically, and it ends up improving the look of your skin, improving the look of your pores as well. So it's very good for tightening those open like big pores. Now what this has in there, I mentioned pineapple enzymes. It has pineapple and papaya enzymes in there, and what that helps to do is really moisturize the skin and help to kind of even out the skin tone. And then in like overall, it's very kind of like, it's good for like boosting the radiance in the skin. Your skin is just generally smoother, it's softer the next day, and it is kind of more luminous as well. But this is great at like as an overnight exfoliator. Now you don't put this on any kind of like broken areas of the skin, like say if you've got a spot and it's kind of, you know, a bit cut there or anything like that. Don't put that there. Don't put it near the eyes or the lips. You just put it on the larger surface areas of your face. They tell you to kind of put this on for like 10 to 15 minutes and then wash it off. I leave this overnight, I'm going to be honest, but it's absolutely fine on my skin. It's not like it's going to just continue to work through the night, but I feel like I still kind of have that you know, the pineapple and papaya enzymes in there to help with the moisture. So it works great on my skin overnight, but obviously I would do what it says on the label and what you feel is right for you. That's not something I'm suggesting you do. Yeah, and it has stabilized retinol in here too, by the way, so that helps with like wrinkles and fine lines. So that's another product that I would highly recommend. It is absolutely transformative for the skin. Next up is another product that I absolutely love, and this is my Lancer Advanced Retinol Treatment. This stuff is absolutely amazing, and it comes in a little pump bottle. This is my second bottle. I absolutely love this. I use this probably 3 times a week at night. So after I've cleansed my face and I've put on my niacinamide, I wait a little while, like probably about 10 minutes, and then 10 to 20 minutes, and then I put on my retinol. Sometimes I skip the niacinamide and I just go straight to retinol. It really depends on how much time, like say if I just want to get to bed. Now this stuff is absolutely amazing. It does have 1.25% of retinol in there. So what this does is it helps to kind of increase the cell turnover like during the night too, and it helps to repair the skin quicker as well. Now it does have have other ingredients in there which kind of help the retinol to kind of work better. I did experience a little bit of kind of like slight peeling when I first started using this, and that's because I'd never used retinol before. Now I'm totally fine. So if you've never used retinol before, be ready for something like that, you know. Or it could be that your skin purges, which means that you'll just break out loads, but it's kind of everything coming out. So just bear that in mind. I feel like there's like a little fluff. Yeah, just bear that in mind, because that can happen, and don't just stop using it all of a sudden because you're like, oh my god, I'm breaking out. Like you need to, like, you know, go through that in order to get clearer skin at the end. But this really helps with younger looking skin, clearer skin. Honestly, that bumpiness you see, the texture, this is great for this. It's great for it in the long run. So it will really help your skin to kind of like normalize. It's also good for the obvious things like fine lines and wrinkles. So it works with another ingredient, and I don't know how you really pronounce this, but it's like bakuchiol. I don't know how you say it. But basically the retinol in combination with that, it's like a soy complex, which basically helps to minimize the appearance of like fine lines and wrinkles, and helps to improve elasticity in the skin and firmness in the skin. You've also got other ingredients in here which help to kind of give your skin that moisture, you know, because you also don't want to strip your skin. And also a few ingredients in there which help with redness as well, which is great. But probably after the first month, my skin just became amazing. This was a real game changer for my textured skin. So I would highly recommend retinol, but I also do know that it really is down to which retinol you use, because I tried another brand before this and I did not like it. I think I used the ordinary retinol. I love some of the other ordinary products, but the retinol just it was not good for my skin. It was just I broke out and stuff, but it just never really got better. And I tried it for a good 6 months, and I think that's long enough. As soon as I went past that first month mark, it just started clearing up. So I thought, you know, I was very close to giving up on this and thinking I can't be dealing with going through this again. But then I got through it and I thought, let me just give it another couple of weeks, and it just started clearing up, and I was like, wow. The results were amazing. Like, my skin hadn't been like that in such a long time, so I would highly recommend that. So these are all of the products basically that I would highly recommend for textured skin. These are really, really, honestly, they're game changers for me. I feel like if you have textured skin, then you understand the struggle that you have. And I understand that people with dry skin have their struggle. People with like oily skin or acne prone skin, they have their struggle. But you know, if you do suffer from textured skin, you understand the struggle, because you're kind of like in the middle there. It's kind of like, it's not smooth. The smoothness is not there. So I really wanted to do a video about products that I know genuinely do work. I'm not going to sit here and say to you that I'm going to do another video which is, you know, for dry skin, because I don't have dry skin. Honestly, I wouldn't be able to tell you which serums work. So it doesn't make sense for me to do a video like that. So I can only show you the things that I have personally used, you know, and I feel that they've really they've improved my skin a lot more. So yeah, I really do hope that this is kind of like given you some kind of insight into the kind of products that would be good for textured skin. If you do have any questions about them, please do let me know in the comments box below. I will try my best to answer it through a video. And if you haven't already, please do head over to my other channel, which is all about vlogs, my life in general, and I think you're going to love it. It's fun, some just real talk, and you know, some bits of me having a meltdown and also me, you know, getting on with work, very business related too, and productivity, all sorts. So I think you're going to like it. So please head over there and hit that subscribe button to show me some support over there too. I would really appreciate it. And wherever you are in the world today, I'm sending you loads of good vibes and loads of wishing you like a very productive day. I hope you enjoyed the video today, and if you have any questions, let me know in the comments box below. And don't forget that all the products are listed in my description. You just need to click on the link and it will take you straight to the products. Now, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. Until the next video, take care, and I'll see you soon.